आप उम्रा के लिए गए थे अभी।
ये बहुत ज़रूरी था मेरे लिए. आई नीडेड दैट इमोशनल रिलीज. और वो वही जाके हो सकता था. मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी है वहाँ जाने के लिए. फॉर माई मदर दैट प्लेस इज बैल्कनी. आई लेट हर बी नाउ आई डोंट बॉदर हर, बट आई नो फॉर हर दैट प्लेस इज माई घर का बैल्कनी. So she shuts the sliding door and she sits out and she cries. I have to tell you guys this. अभी सलमान सर की बात निकली है तो let me tell you this incident जो मेरे साथ अभी recently हुआ. So all these people, be it Mr. Khan or Mr. Dutt, they are very very positive and very kind-hearted people and they will always lift you up. उसके बाद when I again somebody called and I picked up. Guess who was it? Sanjay Dutt. It was so sweet. I read the whole thing, the whole caption. I said, "You got to know about it? Are you kidding me?" Throughout this positive person kept telling me, "Hina, remember, you never had cancer. You don't have it. You will never have it. कुछ नहीं है, ये होगा, वो कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे, टेंशन नहीं लेने का." She is a sweetheart. I mean, मैंने बोला भी है. I think I've spoken about it that throughout in this party, she did not leave my hand.
आप उम्रा के लिए गए थे अभी और आपने फ़ोटोज़ और वीडियोज़ वहाँ से शेयर किए. तो आई वॉज लुकिंग एट दोज फोटोज़ एंड देयर इज़ दिस वन, हर मोमेंट में देयर वॉज शुक्र ऑन योर फेस, gratitude, thankfulness, and there was a stare off also. And I was like, wow.
It was a very meaningful trip and ये बहुत ज़रूरी था मेरे लिए. I needed that emotional release. और वो वही जाके हो सकता था. मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी है वहाँ जाने के लिए. आज सुबह भी मैं मेरे डॉक्टर से बात करी थी. I don't advocate anything. It is my journey and I will look after it and I will live it the way I want to. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं जो कर रही हूँ सब सही है या परफेक्ट है. Neither I am advocating it, but I will do what I feel is right for me, right? It may not be right for somebody else. As I'm saying, I did get scolding for that कि you should not have gone because आप इतनी close proximity में होते हो लोगों के साथ सब कुछ. But I somehow my heart said कि नहीं तुमको जाना चाहिए और मैं गई और touch wood, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह everything was so smooth. सब कुछ इतना स्मूथ हुआ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई, कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई. छोटे मोटे ऐसे ग्लिचेस आए बट इट्स ओके. इट वाज गुड एंड आई रियली नीडेड दैट इमोशनल रिलीज.
You needed that.
आई रियली नीडेड दैट.
जो इमोशनल रिलीज़ के बाद जो एक रिलीफ चेहरे पर दिखता है, आई कुड सी दैट ऑन योर फेस इन दोज वीडियोज़.
Yeah, it was needed and it was worth it. बाकी अब I only pray that whatever I prayed there वो हो जाए बस.
हो जाएगा.
I hope so.
हो जाएगा.
That's very very important. I keep telling Almighty that I want to live. I really want to live a very very good, healthy, long life and I want to work hard. I have worked hard all my life.
All your life you
and
worked and
I
even
want
now.
to work hard even more. So just let me live.
You will.
So that's all I said that there.
We've let it all out in the universe.
I have let it all
Yes.
out in the universe and I say this to myself every day when I wake up.
Yeah.
I do my affirmations. I thank God with a lot of gratitude and I keep telling this myself that you're healing, you're healing, you're healing.
I was talking, we also spoke to Manisha ma'am, Manisha Koirala ma'am, and she has also been through it and she's battled this. So she was telling that the parents used to be very strong in front of her, but रात को when she used to go to sleep, so बगल वाला room ही उनके parents का था, so through the wall she could hear them cry. So that also really, broke my heart.
For my mother, that place is balcony.
Yeah.
I let her be now I don't bother her, but I know for her that place is my घर का balcony. So she shuts the sliding door and she sits out and she cries. So yeah, she does that.
She knows that you know.
I don't know she knows that I know, but I know.
But
I know. So कभी कभी मेरे सामने भी रो देती है बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नमाज में बहुत रोती है, बहुत रोती है. और जब कभी मैं बहुत तकलीफ़ में होती हूँ, जब इतनी तकलीफ़ में होती हूँ कि आई हैव टू लेट इट आउट. देर आर टाइम्स वेयर आई एम लाइक हाँ दर्द है, तकलीफ़ है, बट मेरा ऐसा ही चेहरा होता है, एकदम काम. बट देर आर टाइम्स वेयर you have to just let it out. आपको चीखना चिल्लाना पड़ जाता है. That time she cries. So उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. But it's okay. It's okay. She has been very, very strong, and the way she has held herself throughout, I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her because माँ बाप के लिए सबसे difficult होता है. And me and my mom ना, अक्सर हम ये बात करते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपको मेरे पापा के बारे में बोला, मेरे पापा बहुत सॉफ्ट हार्टेड थे, बहुत ऐसे छोटी छोटी. कोविड हो गया ना, जब कोविड के टाइम में भी हमारे दूसरे नेबर को कोविड हो गया था और घर सील हो गया. ही इज़ लाइक ओ माय गॉड व्हाट टू डू, अब क्या करें, हमें भी कोविड हो जाएगा. ही वाज लाइक दैट, वेरी ही यूज्ड टू पैनिक ऑन एवरी स्मॉल थिंग. माय मदर इज़ वेरी हेडस्ट्रॉन्ग. तो समटाइम्स मी एंड माय मॉम टॉक कि अगर इस वक्त वो होते ना, वो कैसे ही हैंडल करते बाबा, उनके बस की नहीं थी ये. Because I was like she used to treat me like a queen. तो उनके लिए मुझे इस पेनफुल दौर से गुजरना, कभी कभी कहते हैं ना, जो ऊपर वाले ने तय किया होता है, जो होता है वो सब प्लान किया होता है, मेरे पापा नहीं देख पाते, सवाल ही नहीं. We often talk, me and my mother, कि क्या होता अगर वो होते तो.
Even I keep thinking about it.
नहीं होता. It's better that he had not seen me like this.
Lovely. This one with Salman sir.
This is from one of the Big Boss days. जब I think I was invited as a guest.
Yeah.
So this is in his chalet. In his chalet.
I remember how emotional he got when he saw you and really encouraged you.
Yeah.
He's very fond of you.
He is very fond of me, and plus he is like that. Not just I have to tell you guys this. अभी सलमान सर की बात निकली है तो let me tell you this incident जो मेरे साथ अभी recently हुआ. You remember I put that post out about Sanjay that how he battled his stage 4 cancer and how he was super active and everything. He was sitting with his team of doctors, Dr. Suresh Advani, Dr. Sevanti Liwai, everyone was sitting there. So I put that out. Next day, Hina and me, my manager and me, हम कहीं तो जा रहे रास्ते में, I receive a call. I picked up the phone and नहीं, actually तब हम नेटवर्क में नहीं थे तो फ़ोन नहीं उठा पाई मैं. नहीं, फ़ोन लगा नहीं, बात नहीं हो पाई. हेलो हुआ, बात नहीं हो पाई. उसके बाद when I again somebody called and I picked up. Guess who was it?
Sanjay Dutt.
Yeah, Sanjay Dutt. Yeah, Mr. Dutt. He's saying, he's like, Hina, thank you so much. You put that thing up. I'm so proud of you. It was so sweet. I read the whole thing, the whole caption. I said, you got to know about it? Are you kidding me? He said, yes, I got to know about it. And I said, I am so inspired by your journey, like the way you handled it. People need to know more about your journey. कि मैं इतनी inspired हूँ, which is why I put it out and all. I have to meet you. I really need that positivity. He said, come over. Next day I met him. I went. He was shooting somewhere, and I met, and I went and I met him. We spent some time together. We discussed about our journeys and everything. And throughout this positive person kept telling me, Hina, remember, you never had cancer. You don't have it. You will never have it. Just remember this. कुछ नहीं है, ये होगा, वो कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे, टेंशन नहीं लेने का. You know how he is.
Yeah.
But it was so nice of him to reach out to me, call me, and I was shocked that, oh my God, it reached out to him. मेरा intention सिर्फ ये था कि to put it out to people, you know, to spread positivity कि ये भी एक तरीका है handle करने का. मैंने खुद किया है. I did everything throughout my chemotherapy. पर मैंने ये कभी नहीं सोचा था कि he'll reach out to me. So he really felt when I told him about my diagnosis, whatever. So Priya ji already knew, his sister, because we connected. She knew about my diagnosis, everything. But he didn't. So he was like, हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा ये. So all these people, be it Mr. Khan or Mr. Dutt, they are very, very positive and very kind-hearted people, and they will always lift you up. क्या होता है ना, when you reach at a certain position in life and where you have seen so much love, so much in life, not just love, you've seen so much in life, na, then it's like you only know one thing, that is lifting people up, and that's what these people do, be it anyone.
There is one more person, and I would like to say that you really broke several stereotypes by attending the
She's
Cannes
a
Film Festival.
sweetheart. She is a sweetheart. I mean, मैंने बोला भी है, I think I've spoken about it, that throughout in this party, she did not leave my hand. She held my hand throughout in this party because she knew कि मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगी है. She knew I don't know anyone here.
Yeah.
So she just held my hand, and I sat next to her throughout in the party for like 1.5, 2 hours. I was sitting next to her and she was only talking to me. I'll never forget that. She's a wonderful woman.
She's a wonderful woman.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.